Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Today, we are going to be taking a look at another carryover model from 2024 for Harley-Davidson, and that would be the Road Glide Limited, coming in at $38,929 compared to the previous year, 2023 model, $35,699, which is a difference of $3,230. Now, you might think that that's quite a bit, and technically it would be. However, there's a few things we need to keep in mind. We have no surcharge, which was $1,100 for this model last year. That is no longer in the equation. So technically, I guess we could take that away from the $3,230. And not only that, we have black trim only. There is no chrome option, and black is always more money than chrome, so you would have paid $2,500, I believe it was, back in 2023 for this option. So adding those together, it's pretty much a wash for the price changes for this model, which it's a good thing. I mean, you can't really say it's a bad thing with most models increasing in price, where this one, it kind of looks like it stayed about the same. Now, the only, major difference, I suppose, is the base color. Obviously, we have Billiard Gray, and the thing I want to note about Billiard Gray, it definitely reminds me of Gunship Gray, which is not a bad thing because people really liked Gunship Gray. And unfortunately, we had some people who were upset who bought a CVO in that color when it was brought out as a base color. And now that we have Billiard Gray, I was a little bit concerned about the integrity or the resale value of a CVO in Gunship Gray. I thought, is this going to affect the resale value? But the short answer is no. So I don't know how I feel about that. Maybe some CVO owners or anybody with Gunship Gray can kind of chime in the comment section. What are you guys' thoughts on that one? Now, Vivid Black is going to cost you an additional $950 Canadian. Again, it's all Canadian funds. I live in Canada, so I'm not talking about any US funds. And I'm always referencing the Canadian website as well. Now, so Vivid Black, you got to pay extra for it. $950 is really not too bad considering you are painting literally an entire bike. Fenders, fairing, saddlebags, tour box. It's a pretty good price to bump it back up to the Vivid Black, which used to be the standard color, but not anymore. One of the new colors this year is Shark Skin Blue. $1,250 extra for that one, and it looks pretty good. I think that one may be one of the paints that actually surprises me and looks slightly better when I actually see it in person, because it does look pretty good when I'm checking it out online, but I think that one is going to definitely look better. So, pretty confident in that one. Another new color for this year is Blue Burst. Now, this one looks really, really nice online, and I love the blue. It really, really pops. $1,250 extra for that one. So, same as Sharkskin Blue. So, prices are the same, but the colors, if I had to choose one, obviously I'm going to choose Blue Burst because it is a much more bright and rich tone color, and that is my preferred color, is my favorite color. A very bright blue like that, and so that looks really, really nice, and I think it is going to be my favorite color for this year, but you never know. Maybe a bike, when it comes in a different color, really catches my eye, but we'll have to wait until those models are released. And of course, you have a two-tone paint, which is Red Rock combined with Vivid Black for an additional $2,000. Which is, I would say, pretty standard for the two-tone setup, and this thing actually looks really, really sharp. The combination of the colors and the way they're mixed looks really, really good. So again, Red Rock is another new color this year, and with the combination of it with Vivid Black for an additional $2,000, this one actually looks really, really nice. I love the combination of the two colors and how they mix, and so I think this one's going to be pretty popular this year. However, Red Rock, as nice as it looks combined with the Vivid Black, I still want to see this thing in person because the Red Rock, I feel like it's going to be maybe a little bit darker than what it appears to be online, which is not going to be a bad thing, but I just want to see the richness of the paint, I guess, and I don't know, that's just me, but those are the paint options, and again, I just want to reiterate, black trim only. We don't have chrome. Now, I know that some people are probably thinking, well, it's carryover models, so isn't it possible that they add something? No, not likely, because when they do carryover models, these are the things that they don't have major changes to them, right? And if they release them now under a specific model, so the Road Glide Limited, you're not likely to see anything additional. You know what I mean? You're not going to see a chrome trim option like that. This doesn't work. However, Road Glides, just the base models, or the Road Glide Specials even, or even the Road Glide ST for that matter, those ones aren't posted on the website at the moment, and that is because Harley, as far as I know, plans to release them on the 24th of this month, so January 24th, and that is what they've stated on the website. So I'm anticipating lots of different changes, drastic changes, if you will, to those three models, the standard Road Glide, the Special, and the ST models. Lots of changes there. I have no idea what to expect at this moment, but those models are going to have pretty big changes. And I can pretty much guarantee you we'll see chrome in either the standard, actually we should see chrome in the standard, and probably see black and maybe chrome in the Special as well. And then the ST, I would assume, is probably going to get the bronze treatment again. However, maybe we won't see that. I don't know, but there's going to be some big changes, and I'm pretty curious as to what those might be. Keep in mind, ABS, security, and cruise control is all standard on this bike, and, well, obviously, at the end of the day, this is a carryover model. This is what we're going to get. So the only big changes that are really coming up right now in this lineup is with the other Road Glides, and we're going to have to wait until the end of the month for those details. So what do you guys think of the Road Glide Limited, the price, no surcharge, the black trim only? Does that surprise you guys? Honestly, it did surprise me. However, from a business standpoint, if people aren't buying the chrome version, and let's give you guys an example. Say people are buying a Road Glide Special in chrome and adding a tour box, as opposed to buying a Road Glide Limited, well, then it doesn't really make any sense to offer the fully decked out bike in chrome if people are going for the lower model, lower in terms of price. So if people are looking at the prices, not that I've actually compared the two bikes, but if it makes more sense financially to buy a Special and add a tour box, then maybe that is the reason why Harley has gotten rid of the chrome option for the Limited. So maybe that explains it. I don't know. I'm just kind of guessing here on that one, but you guys can leave some comments down below. Maybe you guys agree with that thought process. And of course, if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button so I know that it's working. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on the rest of the carryover lineup coming up very soon before that final date of the 24th. I have a bunch of more videos for you guys coming up, so be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.